It all started on Instagram and later in 2020 on YouTube. We went public with our journey through illness and healing. We were searching for like-minded people. We were searching for the root cause of the symptoms of our family. And we were searching for solutions for me, for my 2 children and my husband. During these years, we experienced so much as family. We found puzzle pieces, small building blocks we could actually integrate into our daily life. And these pieces, sometimes they were books.
Wow! Und ich muss sagen, ich bin hin und weg.
Bei mir sieht das dann immer so ein bisschen so aus. Sometimes the stories of other self-healers.
Es war tatsächlich etwas Unglaubliches.
Sometimes the knowledge of therapists and researchers.
Genau so ist es.
High-quality products or spiritual insights.
Cheers!
And we shared all of this twice a week on our YouTube channel Chronisch Ehrlich. One product in particular changed our journey fundamentally. It impacted our body, our mind, even our pineal gland. This product comes from a scientist in the USA. The scientist, you probably know her, is Dr. Christina Rahm. Never would I have thought I'd one day travel to her home, and never did I imagine I'd actually live there together with a few other adventurous souls.
Let me just be honest.
She had invited me right after our first meeting, but I wasn't ready for such a big trip. I'm Swiss, living in the countryside surrounded by high mountains, and for 10 years I hadn't crossed the ocean. You know, this was a big deal.
Ciao, Annalisa!
Leaving Jonas, my husband, Annalisa, my assistant, the kids and our dogs behind for 8 days, I was really nervous, but I was also so thrilled. So I tied a pirate scarf on my head, a little courage on my head, you know, and said, I can do this. Goodbye, kids, husband, goodbye, Switzerland.
Tschüss, Chucky.
I wasn't traveling alone. The wonderful Sandra from Basel training with me in breathwork and a part of the Root community flew with me.
Wir sitzen jetzt im Flugzeug von Zürich nach Chicago und danach geht's weiter nach Nashville.
The time difference, 7 hours lost. My plan, sleep as much as possible.
Can you take me higher? Higher, higher.
It worked. The plane from Zurich to Chicago was half empty, a whole row just for me. And the food on Swiss, always top-notch. And then, after a quick stopover in Chicago, we landed in Nashville. There we met the other travelers who had accepted Christina's invitation. Everyone was there, truly everyone. Everyone except my suitcase. But sulking not an option, we dove straight into the adventure of Nashville, the music city. Woo! And then I did what Priscilla do. I kissed Elvis Presley. In the bar we started warming up, but I was still shy, not quite ready for dance with country music. From the countryside of Switzerland straight to the big city, no small step.
Ja, der Koffer ist da. Ich bin so froh. So dankbar. So dankbar. Ja, jetzt gehen wir zu Christina und Clayton nach Hause. Danach ins Root Headquarter. Ich denke, heute finden die Interviews statt. Und dann später ins Seehaus, wo wir die nächsten Tage wohnen werden. Ich bin mega gespannt, ihr Lieben, und nehme euch mit.
The next day changed everything. We drove to Christina's home, admiring the beautiful American houses, and by then the ice was broken. We were welcomed so warmly. We were allowed to explore their beautiful house. Then off to the headquarters of the Root brands. The office, stunning, modern, stylish, family-orientated. You could feel it. This is a place where people work with heart. Here, vision is lived every single day. And one entire wall, Christina's degrees and doctorates and patents framed in gold. These patents are the reason why Clean Slate works the way it does, why it changed lives, including ours. With these processes, Christina can free raw materials worldwide from pesticides, molds, and heavy metals. It doesn't get more back to the roots than that. Many of the employees are family, and those who aren't, treated as if they were, like Vanier, who was able to avoid mandatory military service thanks to Root.
This company has supported me drastically over the span of the war. Unfortunately, that's been happening in Ukraine. Even though times have been hard, this company has been with me for a very long time.
Fascinating how in just 6 years a family business turned the detox and biohacking scene upside down, thanks to one woman with knowledge, courage and heart, Dr. Christina Rahm. Sometimes I have to pinch myself. I know this woman personally, a woman who's been through so much, multiple cancers, Lyme disease, and because she knows how hopeless illness can feel, she decided her protocol must be available to everyone, also a girl from Switzerland.
She wants to go visit Priscilla in Switzerland with her dogs.
She's never gonna come back.
She won't come back.
They have to make babies together.
Yeah. Priscilla has the cutest
She wants her
dog.
mommy to pick her up.
Come here, sweet girl.
I had the privilege of interviewing Christina, and I'm endlessly grateful to be the bridge between her and the community. I love science when it's lived for people. But health isn't just about people, because once you're healthy again, you see more. You see animals, you see the environment. And Christina and Clayton have exactly that kind of heart. We experienced it firsthand when the same day we went to the Root Farm in Kentucky.
Wir sind jetzt in Missouri. Ja.
Ah, wir sind in Missouri. Und wir fahren jetzt auch noch nach Kentucky.
Dann, ja. Wir überqueren gleich den Mississippi River.
On the drive, we talked nonstop. I was touched by the wonderful craziness of the other Rooties. Rarely have I felt so connected from the day one. Maybe because we've all been taking Root frequency enhanced products for a while. Maybe we just vibrate on the same wavelength. Who knows? As they say in the US, dream big. And yes, even the clouds we saw. A goose?
Was willst du uns sagen, Himmel? Was ist deine Botschaft?
A tornado? No. But at Lambert's Coffee, it was wild enough.
Ain't gonna study war no more. gonna study more and more, I'm gonna study more and more.
Study one no more.
All right. We sang, food was flying around. Yay! Drinks came in giant cups, and the vegetables, sugared. But the yeast rolls they were tossing, heavenly.
Whoa!
The next day, my God was grateful to be back at the root buffet. On the farm, a 38-year-old horse named Matt, 3 fluffy cows,
Hallo zusammen.
a few goats,
Gut geschlafen?
around 40 chickens. Everything here is natural. But normal? No. Because who wants normal when you can have natural? Even the animals drink water enhanced with clean slate. Called Pure Clean's Pets, the animal formula with silicone for bones, teeth, hair, plus vitamin Z. A chelation-like mechanism that binds and flushes out heavy metals and toxins.
Yeah. Matches your hair.
It matches
the
my
dog
hair.
too.
Yeah, that's my ass.
Little curious baby here.
And not only the animals were spoiled, Clayton went shopping and Christina cooked for us herself. We were welcomed so warmly, so personally cared for. And no, this was not a promotional film. No one knew I would show up with a camera. It wasn't even that only top-ranked root partners were invited. Quite the opposite. They were therapists who had just begun trying the products. The invitation and this incredible hospitality came purely from the joy of sharing, just because. Why did I film everything? Because I wanted to capture every moment. Because I didn't want to later wonder, did I dream all of this? And because for me it was so important that you could look behind the scenes, see real moments, exactly as they were. And please forgive the shaky shots and sometimes poor audio. If Jonas, my husband, had been there, it surely would have been filmed more smoothly. It didn't stop with conversation, spaghetti bolognese and a campfire. Of course, there had to be a game night. Christina wanted this. Christina and Clayton playing both love to win. We had the time of our lives. Most of us Rooties users come from tough situations. We never would have found these products without being seriously ill and searching desperately. Now we have them and we celebrate joyful, free, a little crazy, yes, and yet centered. Because maybe you noticed, these drops are frequency enhanced and zeroin, full of serotonin and L-Dopa, the precursor to dopamine. I would say cheers to the power of plants. Yeah, there is so much more to tell. The love for animals, the heartfelt conversations, the amazing stuff, the community that sticks together. And maybe because Christina and Clayton's solutions are so simple, we have time to return to joy.
Sweet. Mark?
Yes.
Mr. Rahm, are you a survivor of the root universe?
Yes, ma'am.
This beautiful garden.
Yes, the start of a revolution begins with cleansing our pineal gland, like in our fun survival film. The pine cone, symbolizing our pineal gland, and cleansed pineal gland reconnects us to ourselves, to others, to animal, to earth. Reconnect.
Yes.
They still smell like cinnamon.
Demnächst sitzen wir in den Calls.
Let's celebrate a couple that sees a future for our children, animals and nature. And a couple that gives and gives and gives. We experience so much. At headquarters, on the farm, in conversation, moments I'll one day tell my grandchildren about, because all of this, we do it for them, for us, for our children's children. We all deserve a healthy life, no matter what toxins are out there. Pesticides, mold, heavy metals. We stand for awareness, for simply solutions, for people, animals, the environment. And yes, we stand for joy. Who are we? 17 people who travel to America, the land of unlimited possibilities, where one loving, crazy couple makes the impossible possible.
Ich bin der Henrik.
Hallo, ich bin Stefanie.
Ich bin Conny.
Ich bin Erika.
Mein Name ist Andi.
Ich bin Claudia.
Mein Name ist Sandra.
Ich bin Stefanie.
Ich bin Verena.
Hallo, ich bin der Peter.
Hallo, ich bin Bianca.
Ich bin Nana. Ich bin Katrin.
Muss ich meinen Namen sagen oder so?
Ja, sag doch mal deinen Namen.
Hi, mein Name ist Marc und ich bin seit 2020 bei Root. Und der Grund, warum ich überhaupt Root mache, ist, um für mich und meine Familie mehr Freiheit zu bekommen, mehr wertvolle Zeit. Und das Geniale an Root ist, dass wir nicht nur hochwertige Produkte haben, sondern auch das Streben danach, Land, Luft, Wasser, Tiere und Menschen von jeglichen Giften zu befreien, uns dadurch alle gesünder machen und gleichzeitig für jeden Einzelnen von uns durch das Root-Ökosystem die Freiheit ermöglichen, das zu machen, was wir wollen und uns die Freiheit zu sichern.
Ich bin Priscilla und die Root-Produkte haben meinen Arsch gerettet und der Arsch meiner Familie. Ich weiß nicht, ob man das so sagt, aber es ist einfach so, wie es ist.
What I am taking home, new insights for Switzerland. Maybe that far more is possible than we think. That it's not worth focusing on what's wrong in the world, but instead on real solution, and that it's worth living a life that brings me back to energy, to joy. And the last words belongs to Christina's mom.
I mean, from the time she was little, she'd ask me things like when she was 3, why is the sky blue, Mom? You know, yeah. And her nose was in a book. Yeah, so that's it all began. When she was in the 6th grade, I said, you can be anything you want to be. I heard her debate. And I said, you can do anything. Anything. You just set your mind to it and go, girl. Well, she has. And one time, this is a private story, but she won't care if I tell it. She was kind of at that cusp in the early 40s, and she was in my kitchen in the window seat and had her computer. She was doing a class through either Yale or Harvard, I can't remember which. And she said, the neurons are just not working. And I said, you mean the computer or your brain? She said, both.
Not everyone in the world can be an intellectual genius, but we can all take part in brilliant intellect. So be part of it. Live the best version of yourself. Reconnect with yourself. Reconnect.